Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making satay. Hope you guys like it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hope you like it. Whoa, so much thing. But let's get on to the video anyway. First, we cut the chicken into pieces. Yes, we need to cut it, but be careful when cutting those things. Knives aren't for kids. But now we need to marinate the meat with sesame oil, salt, pepper, garlic or onion, sugar and turmeric powder. Here, now we add in the turmeric powder. Now we need to mix it. Mix it well and nice. But first, we need to mix it all finish. Then we have to cover it up and keep it in the refrigerator overnight, because this may be sure if you want to do this, because this will take more than a day. Now we need to prepare the sticks of the satay. Now we put the meat on the stick like that. Yeah. This one is the beef one. Here are the beef satays. Now we need to prepare the sauce. We need to fry the peanuts first. After that, we need to cook it so that we green it. After that, we fry the onion, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, and galanga. Here, you see we're frying them here now. Need to fry them up. This looks delicious already, right? But it's not yet done, so don't think about eating it now. Now, after that we blend them with some dry shrimp and some water. But now, after that we fry it again in the pan. Whoa, it became like that already. Now we need to add in the chili sauce or chili powder, I don't know. Oh, this is the chili powder. Or the asam jawa, I don't know. Now this is some water. Now you need to add in the gula and sugar and salt. I forgot to say. Now we add in the peanuts slowly, bit by bit. And guys, what does peanut and chili sauce mean? Comment down below, because I don't know what is that. Please tell us the name, okay? If you guys know it, please tell us the name in your comment section down below there. Stir it all well. Then add in extra peanuts. Ooh, what kind of food is this? I don't mind making. Now we need to mix it up. And we're done with the satay sauce. And now we need to BBQ our satay by taking